As the morning mist lifts to reveal the jagged peaks of the mountains, a home emerges, not as an intrusion, but as a part of the landscape itself. This is more than just a house. It's a testament to the seamless harmony between architecture, interiors, and the wild beauty of nature. Imagine a structure that mirrors the very slopes it rests upon. The materials tell a story of their own. Stone quarried from the surrounding land, a solid foundation that feels as ancient as the mountains themselves. Warm cedar and redwood siding, echoing the rich hues of the forest, age gracefully with each passing season. Large, expansive windows, not merely for light, but as frames for living paintings, capturing the dynamic beauty of the ever-changing sky and the shifting shadows on the peaks. Welcome to a masterpiece of modern mountain living. Nestled high in the Utah mountains, this home is a beautiful blend of sleek, contemporary design and natural surroundings. The main entrance is a stunning statement, with a low-slung, angled roofline and rich natural stone. It feels both grand and inviting, perfectly designed to welcome you home. Step inside, and you're greeted by a clean, minimalist aesthetic. The entry console and abstract art piece create a sophisticated first impression. The open-concept living area flows seamlessly from one space to the next. The neutral tones and soft textures create a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. The heart of the home is this incredible great room, with a dramatic floor-to-ceiling fireplace and an expansive glass wall that frames the breathtaking mountain views. This striking fireplace, with its textured stone and dark marble base, is a sculptural focal point that anchors the entire room. From the cozy living area, we move into the heart of the home, designed for seamless entertaining. The thoughtful arrangement of the seating area and the bar creates a perfect space for guests to gather. The kitchen is a beautiful example of form meets function. The stunning stone island and modern bar stools create a natural gathering spot, while the dining area is perfectly situated for intimate meals. Every detail has been carefully considered, from the rich wood cabinetry to the polished gold faucet. It's a space that combines warmth with state-of-the-art functionality. This expansive stone island isn't just a workspace. It's a statement piece. It's the ideal spot for prepping a meal or enjoying a casual breakfast. As you walk through the hallway, the majestic mountain views are framed by the clean lines of the interior. The design creates a natural connection between the inside and the stunning outdoors. Welcome to the primary suite, a true sanctuary designed for ultimate relaxation. The room's stunning fireplace and a wall of windows create a seamless connection with the incredible mountain landscape. The bed, dressed in soft white linens and layered with plush textures, offers a comfortable retreat. The abstract art above the bed and the subtle, natural tone palette give the room a serene, gallery-like feel. The bathroom is as luxurious as it is functional. The double vanity, spacious walk-in shower, and a freestanding soaking tub are designed to offer a spa-like experience. Let's move to the heart of the home, where this stunning staircase serves as a central architectural feature. Its clean lines and natural wood steps create a sense of lightness and modern sophistication. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the craftsmanship of the staircase. The open risers and sleek metal railing contribute to the home's contemporary aesthetic, making it a focal point. Downstairs, we find another inviting living space, perfect for more casual gatherings. The comfortable sofas and the warm glow of the linear fireplace create a cozy atmosphere. This entertainment zone is a perfect blend of comfort and style. The custom built-in shelving and the sleek television integrated above the fireplace offer both functionality and a refined aesthetic. And here, we see how beautifully the spaces flow together. The kitchen island provides a natural transition to the living area, making it an ideal setup for entertaining and daily living. We start again in the elegant dining area, where the warm tones of the leather chairs beautifully contrast with the modern lines of the floating staircase. It's a space designed for both intimate dinners and lively gatherings. Moving into a more private lounge, this space is dedicated to relaxation and soaking in the incredible surroundings. The minimalist seating perfectly frames the expansive mountain views, bringing the outside in. From the exterior, you can see how the architecture is designed to maximize these breathtaking vistas. The seamless glass walls truly dissolve the boundary between the interior and the picturesque landscape. As the day unwinds, the home truly comes alive. This stunning sunset view highlights the exterior's dramatic angles and the serene infinity pool, creating a magical atmosphere. Thank you for joining us on this tour. This home is more than just a place to live. It's a testament to the seamless integration of modern design with the unparalleled beauty of nature. Every detail, from the grand living spaces to the intimate sanctuaries, has been crafted to create an experience of ultimate comfort and sophistication. We hope you've been as inspired by this home as we are. If you have any further questions or would like to explore more of our work, please don't hesitate to reach out.